Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So on the SUI chart here we are currently looking at the daily time frame, and I just want to start with this one just because in the last few videos we've been watching the shorter time frame, and it's always good from time to time to take a look at the larger time frame as well. This is the daily time frame, and we are likely moving up in an impulse structure that started down here in August, 5th of August. A lot of cryptocurrencies formed a low at that point. Most coins are running up in an impulse. In a diagonal. Whereas SUI is one of the few exceptions that's actually forming an impulse. Okay. And that's great because it gives us very, very clear parameters. And I've been constantly adjusting the 50% retracement there, which is the key support, which is located at $1.91. Doesn't mean that there aren't any support levels closer to the price, nearer to the current price, but this is the most reliable one because that's the 50% retracement. We know that an impulse typically fails. Okay, it's not a guarantee, but in most cases, when the 50% Fibonacci level is broken, and that's at $1.91. Now that is quite far away from the current price, which also reflects the risk currently in the market. But I have seen no evidence that a major top has formed yet. That being said, the price has reached already all targets that I mentioned originally. We've already reached that blue target area, and I'm tracking an ABC structure, A, B, C. And the C wave would normally reach the 100% extension. We have already reached the area between the 123.6 to 138% extension. Still common targets in a C wave, but it doesn't look finished yet. It looks to me as if another 4-5 pattern is missing. Quick reminder, C waves are 5-wave patterns, and we've seen wave 1, 2, 3, 4 might be unfolding now, and then a 5th wave. Important is just to understand from a macro point of view that key support below which I will probably not look anymore for another high in wave 5. That key support is 191. Okay, so while it is possible that wave 5 of circle wave 3 extends once more, we should be ready for a dip in wave 4. Now again, that being said, it could just be a sideways correction. It doesn't need to be a test of 191. This is just a key risk level. Now let's take a look at the SUI short-term chart. And here, it is a difficult structure to track up there. We should at least consider the possibility that this larger 4th wave is already unfolding. Again, support is between 191 and 315. With actually 239 as really a key level as well. Below that level, it could still be a wave 4, but typically we say a 4th wave would target the 38.2 retracement. And again, that would be at 239. From here, then we could get another high in wave 5, and that might be a major top, even though, of course, it could extend higher. But let's just focus on this here. That we already in circle wave 4, as per previous updates, would be confirmed with a break below $3. Unfortunately, I don't really get a clear confirmation before that based on the structure, because it could be that we are just forming at the moment another high in circle wave 3 in a 1-2 setup, which is valid as long as the price is holding above 349. Okay, any break below that could reset here the internal 4th wave. But at some point we have to say the pullback is too large for an internal 4th wave. We might already be in circle wave 4. Either way, there is currently no confirmation that this pullback that started on the 21st of December, that is over. So we still have to be ready for potentially a bit more of a pullback, maybe over the weekend, bit more consolidation, and then we can watch for a reaction. But the problem is we don't really have very clear FIB support. The invalidation level for the 1-2 setup is clear. Yeah. Below that level, we have $3 as key support short term. But really the main support area is this one. And I still see opportunities here in pullbacks, but if they remain shallow, then maybe that opportunity is just not there, or you have to set a tighter stop. But yeah, that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.